Hello and welcome back to another session of GitPython development. It's Byron speaking, and we are here on issue 300. Edit, or it's a pull request actually, edit null handlers to all loggers to prevent no handler messages. When the code is run without setting up loggers, the loggers have no handlers for the emitted messages. The logging module displays no handlers could be found for logger something on the console. By adding a null handler, a no op, basically the message disappears and doesn't affect logging when other handlers are configured. So I get that sometimes when this message is output, this could confuse programs that are trying to parse GitPython's output, and in general it's not very nice to do that. So how is that happening? It's basically just happening in these files. The question is this all, or do I get more loggers? Let's have a look at GitPython. And come on. And here we go with logging get logger. No, just these 5. Okay. Is there maybe there's some other way I do it? Is there some other access to logging? No, it's just the test performance. Yeah, it's just these 5. Awesome. Cool. So I think there's really nothing that can go wrong here. However, by the way, is there anything special here? No, it's exactly that. Good. So I see the CI build ran with Python 2.6. Yeah, let's have a look at the CI because that failed. I don't really think it's a problem of this particular commit here. Yeah, so all of them failed. Wow. Okay. So there is no null handler here. Huh, interesting. Is this the same everywhere? So it's Python 2.7. No, here it ran, but it bugged out at a different one. Test environment, test git 202. Yeah, maybe I should fix that at some point. Okay, so first, yeah. So I think the only thing that really has to be taken care of in respect to issue 300 is, I think I never fixed this for some reason. This works on my machine, does it? Title git GitPython. Well, that didn't work. So let's try to run them all. In the meanwhile, let's find out what the problem is here. So Python 2.6, I can add a null handler as described here, but I'm not sure where you want that to live. Looks like more stuff failed. Yeah, but that's, as you realize, not related to this issue. Oh, really? So that null handler has been added in Python 2.7 apparently. Oh man. Yeah. Well, fine. Oh look, see? So for me it works. Okay, good. I mean, I'd say we just go ahead and fix this little issue and then merge it right away. So let's do this on the command line. Oops. Let's put it right in. Repo base. Why are there so many additions? Did I miss anything? Oh, probably I wasn't up to date on my own local master branch, so I pulled in even more things. Yeah, wait. Git fetch. See. So let's just revert this. Git checkout, well, git branch D, missing focus, logging null handlers. Okay, now we do the pull one again. Because now we should do it from the right spot. So here we go. That's much better. And yeah, it's a little bit better. Even though I'm not sure if I want to have it like this. I think I will just fetch this and set myself on top of that. Even though, who cares about history, you know? I don't want to author the history right now. I will just go with the simple thing. So let's go back here and run the nose test. Unfortunately, I don't have Python 2.7 anyway, but I guess we can just drop this null handler that I don't have anymore into util. Where's this git util? I think that's where you want to put it. Is there any good space for utility types? Yeah, here we go. Classes. Okay, so just put this here. Is this correct? Looks like it. So we import logging. Okay. I think the first thing I should do is run flake on this one because it will hate the world. LC all is C. And now we can try again. Cool. So flake is happy. That's a very important thing to start out with. And yeah, I think all we can do is if has adder, if not has adder, logging null handler, then we will, I'm still in Rust mode here. Then I will just set it, right? Logging null handler is null handler. Yeah, I don't want to deal with checking for versions and whatnot, but I might want to document this to the point where I say, well, in Python 2.6, there is no null handler yet. Let's monkey patch it for workaround. All right. And that should be that, I guess. So, yeah. I could wait for Travis, but I'm kind of confident that this will work. So let's make a commit here. Fix logging. Monkey patch logging if needed with null handler. Damn it. Yeah. Logging mod. No space here. Damn it. This will make usage of the null handler possible in Python 2.6 and below, even though I don't think we support Python 2.5, for instance, for some other reasons, but this one should be fine. All right, cool. Here we go. That is that. So I guess I will push this one. Well, no, I will merge it right away because I trust it. Let's run the nose test here just to see if that works. So far, apparently it didn't break. Let's see what happens if, yeah, well, let's run it just once, maybe. But maybe I don't want to wait that long. Damn it. Yeah, unfortunately, the performance tests I took in by default right now. Previously, they were excluded. Oh, there's a failure, but it probably is something else. I have spurious failures based on whether or not the Git daemon could be started successfully on my system, which doesn't always work because of the socket that is not freed for some reason. So you usually have to use an environment variable to set the socket it should use to some other one so that you can... Oh yeah. So these shitty thing is that these tests also use the parent Git repository and expect it to be on master. And if it's not the case, then it will fail. But that's all something that can be ignored. I do understand that this sucks and it shouldn't be that way, but it is that way right now just to speed up testing. There are probably better ways, but I'm not going to implement these as I am in maintenance mode with this project. So git checkout master and git merge no ff missing focus. Yes, git push origin master. There we go. And the merge has been done, which will also run the test, which should reveal that there's only the only problem left here is the foo issue that has been there before, I suppose. For some reason, I might just disable this on Travis if it doesn't work there. But maybe there's a better reason. Yeah. Thanks a lot for for your contribution. Let's bring this up a little. There we go. By contribution, I took the liberty to add the required null handler. Come on. Implementation. Myself. As you can see, besides, you're right, the foo test is entirely unrelated to your or to this PR. Good. And needs separate and needs additional attention. The lagginess of my setup here is still quite noticeable, which really is annoying when you're typing, because you kind of are waiting for the letters to show up and then you are asking yourself, oh, did I put a typo in there? Did something go wrong? And then you actually put typos in there. So non-real-time typing here is annoying. Anyway, how did that work out? Well, we will see. But for now, I think this is done. So thanks for watching and have a good day.